Hello everyone, welcome to this video. With the proliferation of various models available today, how should we choose the right one for AI retouching? To help clarify this issue, I've conducted a very detailed comparative analysis, selecting 3 currently mainstream models for testing. On the open source side, I chose Qwen's image edit, the latest version, and Flux2 Klein, which has 4B and 9B versions. I chose the 9B version. On the closed source side, I chose Nano Banana Pro, currently widely considered the strongest. We'll use these 3 models for a detailed comparison. In the first round of testing, I used a casually taken photo with my phone, completely unlit, just to see how well these 3 models remove the background under the most basic conditions. To be honest, the results were all quite good. From left to right, there are Flux2, Qwen, and Banana, all performing very well. However, the Banana image is slightly oversized. In the second round, I tested a gold ornament. In this round, I wanted to focus on the model's ability to reproduce materials accurately. Because the original image had a matte texture, not a glossy one, Qwen performed best in the tests, preserving the matte texture of the original image very well. However, the other 2 models, Flux2 and Banana, produced images with a smooth texture, failing to faithfully reproduce the original material. I think Qwen did a better job in this aspect. The third round of testing involved retouching with the background, which is actually the most demanding on the model, because it is not just simple image cutout. It requires intelligently preserving useful parts, while removing only impurities and blemishes. Flux2 performed best in this round. Qwen's output had a problem. The lack of shadows made it look unnatural. Banana had a bigger problem. The accessories were over-retouched, and the background dirt wasn't completely removed. After these 3 rounds of testing, my feeling is that none of these 3 models is absolutely superior. Each model encountered some minor issues. However, having problems doesn't mean they're unusable, because many problems can be optimized through technical means. For example, using the LoRa model for fine-tuning can significantly improve the results. Here is a comparison. Using the same image from Qwen, the difference between having and not having LoRa files is completely different. Adding LoRa not only fixed the shadow issues, but also significantly improved detail and material reproduction. Okay, that is all for this video. Feel free to discuss your thoughts or questions in the comment section. See you next time. Bye!